the house. We got D-Side in the house. And when D-Side in the house, we gonna rock it all the way down.
I was so hard, got the fast suspicious. New cop pocket full, that like, who is this nigga? Since a young nigga, streets influence me, nigga. Ain't none of these rap niggas fooling me, nigga.
Let's jump right in. After shampooing and conditioning my hair, she's gonna apply the Keratin leave-in conditioner. And to hydrate my hair, she's gonna use the Keratin Silk Infusion. And since my hair is wet, she's going to detangle it with a wide tooth comb. And I mean, look at it. You really think she can get a red tail comb through this? Come on, be for real. And to prevent my hair from breaking, she's going to comb it from the tutor to the rooter. From the tip to the root. My hair is thick and very, very coarse. So she's going to use a Denman brush as she blow dry it to give my hair body and leave it with a silky finish. For an extreme heat protection, she's going to use the Giovanni Too Chic Ultra Sleek Blowout Styling Mist. I would normally relax my hair every 12 weeks, but I felt no need to do so since my hair been braided down due to the fact that I've been wearing wigs for so long. Now some sections of my hair are like completely natural since the relaxed ends of my hair are just breaking off. So I don't know, should I go natural or not? I think not. We finally get somewhere. Now, she did hot comb my hair with my mom's old school Marcel's because I do want my hair to be like whoosh, whoosh. Like when I walk and turn my head, I want my hair to actually turn with it. And y'all know my kinky hair is not gonna do that. So to give me that sleek finish that I wanted, she did hot comb my hair and then she's gonna come behind it with a flat iron. And y'all do not be alarmed. She's pulling the hot comb down farther because I do have a lot of new growth. So I'm like, oh, she going past the real heat damage. It's okay. I don't mind it. My hair can take it, alright? And yes, she is doing more than one pass. I wanted my hair to be silky. I'm not about to walk around with an afro and be like, oh, we did one pass. No, if it takes 5 passes to give me silk, give me 7 to make sure it stays. But no, seriously, just do however many passes you want. But for my hair texture, we do have to do more passes. But it's fine because as y'all can see, my hair is healthy. It is growing. We good. And for those of you are wondering, I do have eczema on my face. I was going through a horrible allergic reaction, but I wasn't about to let that stop me from recording a video. Like, it's just eczema. It's fine. I'm not ashamed of it. It's just eczema. There's no cure for it. I break out, I get smooth. I was broke out on there, and right now I'm smooth. So we good. I'm just gonna speed through this part because at this point it's really self-explanatory about what she's doing. I just left all of this in here because some people do like to see like start to finish on how she styled it. Woo, them ends, girl. What was I doing? Alright, as you all can clearly see, I haven't had my ends cut in a very long time. And my relaxed ends have like slowly been falling off, so everything is just uneven. Yeah, so she's gonna give me a nice little even blunt cut so I look like I walked straight out of the salon, but no, I'm right out the kitchen. And I do know some people don't like to get their ends clipped. I love to get my ends clipped because 1, it look good. And 2, it'll get rid of any dead ends that I might have and it prevents breakage. Like when you have split ends, it's going to continue to split. So what does that mean? Your hair is getting shorter and shorter. And it's just damaged and not looking good. You don't want that. Get your ends clipped. Alright, she's gonna finish off my trim, and like I said earlier, I'm just gonna leave this in for the people that really want to see like a start to finish video.
Yeah, boy. I'm getting on Snapchat too. I'm getting on Snapchat. I'm back. You.
Here she's showing you all that I do not have any more split ends. So to those of you out there who never get your ends cut, look at me. Come on, don't I look good? Go get your ends cut. Okay, this is a preference of mine. Once she's done trimming my ends, she's gonna apply serum throughout my hair. Well, basically focus on the ends of my hair. And then she's gonna like bump it under. And I know what y'all gonna say, oh, you wanna be a grandma, why you do that? Because it helped frame my face and just tie everything in together. It look good to me, okay? I like it, y'all love it. See? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Listen to me now. Get your ends tucked. And to maintain my hair at night, I'm just going to wrap it up around my head, put a scarf on, and that's it.
Wrap it up then.
Alright, that does bring us to the end of this video. And as you all saw, my hair was something before she really styled it. It's really thick and I think she did a really good job. A lot of you were asking about my hair regimen. I've been in wigs for a really long time. My hair regimen was basically keep my hair braided down, take the braids out, shampoo it, condition it, deep condition it every month or 2 months depending on how I felt. And that was basically my regimen, honestly. I would literally get it like braided right back up because like I said, I was addicted to wigs. But since I am new to YouTube, a lot of you all haven't saw my hair, so I was like, wow, I should really show them my hair. Like, y'all need to see what's going on up under that wig. And I know y'all like, oh, Loon, are you bald? Did you lose your edges? Why you not wearing real hair? No, I have my edges. I'm not bald, as you can see. And how I maintain my hair at night when it's straight, I just like wrap it around my head, put like a silk scarf on, a huge jumbo silk scarf that my mom bought me. So yeah, if you all want to see like a current hair regimen, since I am wearing my hair out now, please feel free to just leave that down below and your girl got you. I did get my ends trimmed for the simple fact that since I was in braids for so long, I wasn't really like trimming my ends. My hair was just breaking off slowly. I guess like all the relaxed ends were like breaking off. So she did cut that, so when I do get back into my wigs, my hair can thrive again. And when I take my wig off, I'm gonna get it cut again. And I'll be looking like this again. So yeah, I hope you all like this video. Subscribe, it's free. YouTube won't be blowing up your email with just random things. Like, you only get notified when I upload videos by subscribing to me. So that's what it is. And that's it. Thank you all for watching.
Cable, now I keep bagel. I come from the bottom, so tell me what you hating for. I'm a young player, folks serve the papers. Now I ride coops, plenty horses like a stable. This right here my come up.